Are you searching for best dent repair kits for your car? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best dent repair kits for your car in 2024. Number 1. Super PDR Car Dent Repair Tools. Why choose our Super PDR tools? Save time and money. All professional accessories, easy to operate, easy to repair. With you are a pro or new to paintless dent repair, our ergonomic design dent repair kit will help you remove the dents easily, plus the detailed instructions in the package will help you to easily carry out repair work. Durable, made of high-quality materials for durability. Comes with a 2-year warranty to ensure your peace of mind while using it. 2-in-1 T-bar slide hammer tool, suitable for larger and deeper dents that can be quickly repaired to their original shape, such as those caused by heavier impacts or collisions. Number 2. PDR Tools Car Body Paintless Dent Repair Removal Tool. PDR Removing Dents Tool Set. Paintless Denting Car Dent Repair Garage Tools Dent Repair Stainless Steel Push Rods Crowbar Reverse Hammer Kit Accessories. What are the advantages of paintless dent repair? PDR, no damage to the original car paint, no sheet metal spray painting, so that the original car paint can be retained to the greatest extent. No high temperature welding equipment is used, and no damage to the car body. The time is short. The repair time is 30 to 120 minutes, which greatly shortens the construction time and reduces the cost compared with traditional spray paint. Simple operation. Women can operate independently. Pure manual restoration. Good effect. No discoloration, no fading. Number 3. Super PDR Car Dent Repair Tools Set. Why choose our Super PDR tools? Save time and money. No need to pay for $300 to $500 USD body shop repairs. Professional tools, all professional accessories, easy to operate, easy to repair. Whether you are a pro or new to paintless dent repair, our ergonomic design dent repair kit will help you remove the dents easily, plus the detailed instructions in the package will help you to easily carry out repair work, durable and high quality. These dent repair tools are made of high-quality material and are durable enough to last for years. Number 4. New Car Dent Repair Tool. Car Dent Repair Puller 360 degrees rotation anti-slip body sheet metal restoration concave convex shaping drawing tool. Description: Depression Repair Puller. The 360 degrees rotating fuselage is convenient to use, and the diamond hollow structure is more solid, non-slip foot mat, anti-slip design, more stable and safe to use. 360 degrees rotation. The direction can be changed at will to adapt to different use scenarios. Number 5. PDR-R Auto Body Dent Removal Machine. Auto Body Dent Removal Equipment for Aluminum and Steel Plate Dent Repair Machine. Auto Body Paintless Removing Heater Tools. Main features: small and light, easy to carry, independent and adjustable output voltage and output power. Control modes are helpful for repairing dents of different shapes, and it has a buzzer sound and digital display function, which can accurately control the repair voltage and power. Application range: smooth sheet metal dents, dents in non-edge areas, dents hit by hail and various other dents, etc. 1-year warranty. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.